Hello students, good. Welcome to the last lesson of Unit 4, which is about evolution. And we are going to summarize the whole lessons that we have seen, lesson 1 up to lesson 5. Let's first revise and see the definition of the topic of the unit, evolution. Evolution is a change in genetic composition, population over successive generation over time, long time, potentially leading to the origin of new species. This leads to the origin of new species. We have seen theories of origin of life, and we have seen, you remember, 5 theories: special creation, life created by supreme being or God; spontaneous generation, life from non-living matter and later disproved; eternity of life, life has always existed; cosmic zone theory, life come from other planets like meteorites; and the last theory of origin of life is biochemical origin, life from is a result of many chemical reactions. This is the 5 theories of origin of life. And the other is Miller's experiment, the spark discharge experiment, demonstrated by the organic molecule necessary for life could be synthesized under early earth conditions. And we have seen cyanobacteria and oxygenation have a relation. Cyanobacteria are the first organisms, photoautotrophs, that can photosynthesize, the process of photosynthesis, and can prepare their own food by the help of photosynthesis, playing a key role in increasing Earth's atmospheric oxygen. They do have a good role in the increasing Earth's atmospheric oxygen. We have also seen theories of evolution. One of the theories of evolution was Lamarck's theory, and the other was Darwin. And let's see the main points of Lamarck and Darwin. Lamarck have use and disuse and inheritance of acquired traits. We have seen the giraffe, next giraffe, and inheritance of acquired traits. Darwin is natural selection and survival for the fittest. And we have seen also mechanism of natural selection. Organisms best adapted to their environment survive and reproduce, passing advantageous traits to the next generation. This is known as natural selection. We have also seen about new Darwinism. New Darwinism is a modern Darwinist theory, synthesized Darwinist theory with the genetics, explaining allele frequency changes under selection. There is an addition of explaining molecular biology as well as animal behavior and the aspect of genetics. We have also seen about evidences that support evolution. One of the evidences is paleontology or fossil record or fossilization, and the other is comparative anatomy. In comparative anatomy, we have seen homologous structure and analogous structure for this evidence, and the other is embryology. Organisms that have the same embryo could have the same common ancestor. We have also seen biochemistry or similarity in DNA could arise and result and could be an evidence for evolution. We have also seen plant and animal breeding, and this selective breeding experiment could be an evidence for evolution. And we have seen, when we were discussing about fossilization, dating of fossils. Fossils can be dated in different ways. We have taken 2 ways. Let's add also another Stratigraphy is analyzing rock layer. We have seen strata. Stratum or strata is a layer of sedimentary rock that have the same characteristics and different from the upper and lower layer. So the other is carbon dating, effective for fossil up to 60,000 years. Potassium argon dating is another technique of dating suitable for much older fossils. So these are techniques by which we can date fossils. And we have also seen structures and evolution, homologous structure and analogous structure. Homologous structures have common origin, divergent evolution. Analogous structure are different in origin, evolution, but they do have convergent evolution. In homologous structure, structurally they are similar, but their function is different. In analogous structure, their origin is different, but their function is similar. Convergent evolution. That one is divergent evolution. We have seen also gene pool and natural selection. The gene pool change due to mutation and other selective favoring advantages alleles could arise a gene pool. We have also seen types of selection: directional selection, stabilizing and disruptive. Directional selection is advantageous at one extreme. At one extreme, it is very advantageous. For example, thicker fur can be advantageous in cold environment. Stabilizing advantage at mean, not at extremes, but at mean. Disruptive advantages at both extremes. So you can see that directional advantage at one extreme, stabilizing is at mean, whereas disruptive at both extremes. Speciation, there are two types of speciation, allopathic and sympatric. In allopathic speciation, this is a kind of isolation by geographical result of geographical isolation. Sympatric isolation within the same area, behavioral and temporal. And this is a kind of isolation that occur without geographical isolation. Behavioral isolation, it could be behavioral isolation, temporal isolation, or seasonal isolation. We have seen an example, 3 examples: seasonal isolation due to year, or isolation at a daytime, that is temporal, or behavioral, courtship pattern difference. And we have seen human evolution, and key fossils for human evolution are Lucy and RD, bipedalism before brain growth, and RD have bipedalism also. Modern humans we have seen evolved in Africa and migrated globally. And we have seen the 3 human races. Human races evolved due to natural selection in different environments, increased interbreeding, reduced species divergency. And this will bring us to the end of the unit and to the end of today's lesson. Until we meet in the next lesson, goodbye.